Hi guys, we're here with the Roku Smart Soundbar, and the wireless subwoofer here. So if you're like me, you just finished your Black Friday shopping, and I got about 3 TVs for family. And since when did all the rage become about soundbars, or specifically smart soundbars? Roku is probably the first out of the gate to attack this smart feature set, and mark my words now, I feel like Apple, Google, and Amazon are gonna follow suit pretty soon. But soundbars have to cover a few things. First, it has to supplement the crappy audio speakers that are on your TV. I feel like TV manufacturers are working together to make sure they're bringing you crappy speakers, so make sure you have to buy your sound bars. Number two, it also has to connect to Bluetooth to your phone so that if you're entertaining guests, it can play your music on Spotify and add that good bass, that good vibe in your apartment or in your house. Third, a smart soundbar has to have an optional assistant, so it's either Google Assistant or Alexa, and you can turn those off if you're not a fan of those, but for those who have smart devices, you might as well have a soundbar that listens, has a good mic, and can turn on and off devices in your house, and just be there for your run-of-the-mill questions. And number four, a smart soundbar has an integrated TV into it, smart TV. So in this case, Roku is the first where this soundbar has a full 4K HDR Roku that you don't have to purchase a small little Roku stick or a Fire Stick for. It's in the bar. So now you have this all-in-one package that has one HDMI port that plugs into your TV, and you have the great, at least in my opinion, the best smart TV software, the Roku over here. And fifth, it has to have an audio receiver channel, so HDMI ARC. So say you have an Xbox or PlayStation 4 connected to your TV, the sound from that doesn't come from the TV speakers, but comes out from the speaker as well. That's what smart soundbars are. They integrate everything from a smart TV integrated into it, to Bluetooth audio, connectivity to your phone, an assistant, a mic, and audio pass-through. All those things are super important that supplement your theater living room experience. Alright, so here it is, the Roku Smart Soundbar. Let's unbox this. It features a 32-inch long 2.0 soundbar with 4 2.5-inch speakers, a 4K Ultra HD Roku, Wi-Fi, HDMI ARC, that's audio receiver channel, so that means your Xbox, PlayStation can play back through the device, audio input for those that doesn't have HDMI ARC, Bluetooth, Dolby Audio, that's not Atmos, and USB 2.0. So obviously you would like 3.0 on here, Atmos, but you get what you get. Smart soundbar, and this retails for $180, and right now you can get this bundled because not only do you have this, but you have the paired wireless Roku subwoofer over here. So I looked into this. This is about a 60-watt soundbar speaker. If you're the Bose or the Sony traditional surround sound system, this might not be for you, but for entry-level soundbars, this is always leagues ahead of your TV. Plus, it has that added Roku in it, and I like that because in my different rooms in my house, I have smart TVs, run-of-the-mill, whatever they're running, Android TV, Alexa, Roku, LG, WebOS, but I also have monitors, and this can liven up my monitors as well because with one HDMI, now I can watch all my favorite shows. This is a 250-watt 10-inch driver Roku wireless subwoofer. At the moment, this pairs wirelessly and seamlessly, I did it already, with the Roku soundbar pretty easily. Okay, so admittedly, this soundbar might not be for your audiophiles, for your Bose or Sony soundbars, but there's two secret things of this, which is the Roku soundbar here has integrated Roku Smart TV player inside the bar, which was that one more thing that caused me to buy this. And it also comes paired with the Roku wireless subwoofer speaker, and that's a 250-watt 10-inch bass. No matter how compact your soundbar speaker is or how long it is, nothing can beat the subwoofers or the air that needs to be entered into the subwoofer to really give you that deep, moving bass to your home theater. This is entry level. It's about 60 watts. of power, so that's your equivalent. And even though the audio is entry level, it's okay, $180. Paired with the subwoofer all together for some holiday deals that are going on, this retails for about $300, and that equals the Sonos Beam. So bar to bar, this to the Sonos Beam Smart Bar, I would say the Sonos Beam would beat the Roku soundbar over here. But paired with the entire package together with the wireless subwoofer, bundled right now, at Best Buy at least, for a great discount for a total of about $280, I think it's a great package. And it wirelessly and seamlessly connects together to add that audio in your room so you don't have to run any weird wires. And when I paired it, it paired very smoothly. You just hold the home button, it searches for the wireless subwoofer, and you can put this anywhere you want. Again, a 250 watt 10-inch subwoofer base. So that ought to power a lot of your theater viewing experiences. Not so much your dialogue, but this should add the kick that you need for your theater system. The speaker itself, the quality of the sound, let's just say I'm impressed with it lightly because it's much better than TV speakers, but compared to things like HomePods or the new MacBook and all the audio drivers and all the noise canceling headphones, this shows and shines when you turn the volume up very loud. In my case, when I watch it at night, you have to put it a little lower. There are settings on here for a little nighttime mode where it helps normalize the audio volume so that it's not so extreme, and the audio clarity you can increase so that you can hear your favorite dialogue in those dramatic scenes. So we're watching Watchmen, and all you do, you go to your options here on your Roku remote. So in sound settings, you have sound mode, which is normal. You can reduce the bass or turn the bass off, and that'll shake the neighbor's apartment, so sometimes you want it off. Speech clarity, I'm gonna turn it on to high because Watchmen is a dialogue heavy show. And volume mode, this is probably the big features of this bar. You can have it have leveling, so that means it smooths out high and low sounds, or nighttime, which is a more extreme version of leveling, so it's a maximum threshold for your high sounds, or off. That way, when you're watching your TV shows and it goes to commercial, the audio and music in the commercials don't blow out your speakers or have those very high volume noises. So those three things were what the engineers designed this audio bar to have when they made this smart bar. I like the clarity, so let's go ahead and test that out.
You alright, home?
Well, thanks. I enjoy walking.
You sure? We just got off duty. How about you come join us for a beer?
I appreciate it. I got an early shift tomorrow. Maybe another time.
Okay then.
You can hear it.
Another time.
Yes, you can. The subwoofer, it's been seamless. I've had no trouble with it, and it's a very distinct, very hearty bass that drops every time you're with it, and that's right here. And you can just plug this right into an outlet across the room with one power right across the room, and it connects. And when you're on your Bluetooth for your phone or anything like that, you can hear this bass going loudly, and I put it right behind myself, so I'm not fooling anybody, but the speakers, those noises, those very deep channel bass sounds are right behind me. So for $300, I am pretty impressed with this purchase. I think my favorite thing about this setup is the seamlessness of the soundbar, the one HDMI cord I put connected to the bass, and having this immersive UI. So that's our review. Let me know what you guys think about smart soundbars. What soundbar did you buy for your smart TV this Black Friday? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, if you bought this bundle, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for surviving the holiday shopping season, and we'll see you in our next Sonos Beam review and our reviews in December. All right, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.